Hi, it's Corrine. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I thought I would share a quick flip through of this recipe album that I made, and I will have this linked to my Etsy store for sale. This album measures 7 by 8.5, approximately 7 wide by 8.5 tall, and it's about 1 1/4 to 1.5 inch thick. I have cinched it with my cinch binding machine. For the front and back cover, it's medium weight chipboard, so it's very durable. And I will personalize this with whatever family name. I just did Smith Family Recipes just for an example. I also don't really have this bow attached on yet until I change this out for the personalization. So when you open it, it has different dividers. It has index, appetizers, soup, salad, breads and rolls, vegetables and sides, main dishes, desserts, and beverages and others. It also has an index, as I mentioned, so you can put everything that is in the book. Each one is divided. It also has this conversions. Some of them, depending, have just small and the others have more room. They're all double-sided. For all the main courses, you have a full page, not 2 recipes on one. You could also add in a little photo of the completed recipe if you wanted. And each page has some decorative paper, each category rather. And this is under other. So check the description box below for the link to the Etsy. I use an album myself like this. I've used it for years and I absolutely love it. This would make a great gift as well, a Christmas gift for someone. So here's the back. Thanks so much for stopping by. Have a great day.